In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can adjust story progress for easy progress here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to do is go ahead and pause your game and stay on the campaign tab right here. Once you're on this campaign tab, go ahead and look for settings and open this up. And on the left-hand side menu in your settings menu, you're going to want to look for accessibility. Now, what you need to do is look for the story progress option in accessibility. If you scroll down, you're going to see it under gameplay accessibility. You could set this to standard or guaranteed. Now, with standard, you need to complete challenges in each story chapter before you can move on. With guaranteed, the game lets you keep progressing through the story even if you don't complete every single challenge. It's kind of up to you, whatever one you want to go ahead and change. I recommend just keeping it on standard since that's how you're supposed to progress. But if you want to change it, that's how you can go ahead and change it. Just make sure when you back out that you do save your settings. It'll say like save and continue. Make sure you select that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.